In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do SEO with GoHighLevel websites. First, log into your GoHighLevel subaccount so you're inside the workspace where your site lives. Once you're in, head to the Sites section and choose Websites. Quick note, these optimization settings also apply to funnels, so if you build in funnels, you can follow the very same process there. Next, pick the website you want to optimize. I'll reference a business website as an example, but choose whichever site you're working on. Open it and click Edit to enter the page builder, where we'll make the SEO adjustments. Inside the builder, look for the option labeled SEO and AI Search Optimization. This is where you set the signals that help search engines and AI-powered experiences understand your page. In simple terms, SEO tells search engines what your page is about so it can rank for the right queries, while AI Search Optimization improves how your content is interpreted and displayed by modern search and chat systems. Think of this area as the control room for how your page appears and performs in search results. Now open the Links and Tags section. This area manages the behind-the-scenes metadata that crawlers read. It doesn't change how your page looks to visitors, but it has a big impact on how your page is discovered and previewed across search engines and social platforms. Find the Custom Meta Tags area and click Add. Custom meta tags are small pieces of information placed in your page's head section, things like a meta description, robots directives, or open graph and Twitter card tags. Used correctly, they help search engines understand your topic, guide indexing behavior, and improve how your links appear when shared, which can boost click-through rates. Type in your custom meta tag and its description or value. For a meta description, aim for a clear 150-160 character summary that includes your primary keyword naturally and sets an expectation for the visitor. For robots, typical public pages use index, follow, while private or duplicate pages may use no index. If you're adding social preview tags, keep titles concise and make descriptions compelling and consistent with your brand voice. Click Add to confirm the tag. Then click Save to store your changes in the builder. Finally, click Publish to push everything live so search engines and users see your updates. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Avoid keyword stuffing, keep titles readable and under about 60 characters, and repeat this optimization on your most important pages for consistency. Results aren't instant. Give search engines time to recrawl. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, subscribe for more.